Hi guys, this is Irito and you are welcome back to my channel. I already have a lot of fairy houses and I have an idea to gather them into a fairy garden or maybe a couple of fairy gardens. But in this case, having the only houses will be not enough. So I plan to work and to share with you the items needed for the fairy garden. I'm going to need fences, bridges, flower beds and a lot of another cute things. Today I'm going to be creating a rustic fence. It will be lovely to add here some plants and flowers, but I still don't know in which fairy garden I will put this one. So I've decided to add flowers later when I will be gardening all together. If you would like to watch the tutorial for the flower basket fairy house, I will add a link to the description box. Also, you can find a lot of fairy houses on my channel. And now I invite you to join me to this magic. I hope it will bring you joy and inspiration.